and I don't think I'm crazy. You were calling me crazy. I don't think I'm crazy. I'm a passionate sister.
You were acting
passionate
crazy.
sister. The result, I don't think was, what it should be. At the end of the day, I shouldn't have to sit on someone else's saddle. I don't know who sat on that saddle. I think I should have, be able to enjoy a new bike.
Hopefully things will change a little bit now because it has been the bane of our lives for a little while.
For the sake of the crazy, I'm going to have to just move on from it and really clean that saddle.
The other one wasn't new either.
No, but it was my grandma's. That will never be replaced.
OK, well, you should have come and got it then.
You should have dropped it off.
You could have come and got it.
Dropped it off.
See, crazy.
I'm not crazy.
I would like a pen so I can get her to sign it right now, please.
I'm not signing it.
In
Not
front of
after
these
what the
witnesses.
stress.
There we go, look. Be the decent person just for
In front
once.
of all.
No,
You've dragged me here,
I have
so you
tried
can go and
to
whistle.
speak to you and
You
to
can go and
speak to you.
whistle.
She's a horrible person. That is the real her. It came out in the end.
This is the real
This
Janet.
is the real her.
This is the Janet that's just had enough of your guys.
Yeah.
I don't ever want to see Jodie or David ever again.
Oh, well, you can go to hell, can't you? Just go to hell.
I did try
I'll make it difficult now for you. Any access you want to my daughter, I'll make it damn well difficult. Very difficult, mate.
I'll give you extra £20.
Well, how can you? When you just said you've got next to nothing left when you've paid
Well,
me,
I don't-
How are you going to do that?
I don't mind, I will give you an extra £20 on top of the £100.
He got what he wanted. Made me look a complete nut here anyway, which he'd every intentions of doing. So, good luck to you.
I'll give you obviously £100 a fortnight after me say, and I'm willing to give her extra £20 on top to make up for the £200.
What about all them sleepless nights, eh? What about when you went to Spain for 3 days and left me to it, eh? With the baby. And you went swanning off to Spain on a fag run.
She's a very good mum. She always thinks of her others before she thinks of herself. I ain't got a bad word to say about her.
The whole damn country will see this now. Yeah.
I don't know why you have lied and
Haven't
tried
lied
to
about
keep
it.
all this money. Could you have understood how stressful it has been for
Okay,
me?
don't play the sympathy card on me because we've spent money for
Play the
you.
sympathy.
That's what you're trying.
Judge Rinder saw through him. He wasn't able to say you are a liar, but he knows the law. He shouldn't have kept the money away from me.
It's not
Why
just
did
down to
builders-
customers. It's not just down to customers that get dodgy builds. There are lots of builders out there that get dodgy customers.
That is
and
an
you,
insult.
I'm afraid,
That
are one
is
of
an
them.
insult.
You're there to
That
mess
is
builders
an
around.
insult.
I think being called a liar and a con man is just unacceptable. It's out of order. You can do things professionally, and I think it just shows her character, the way that she is.
The truth comes out, and
Great for
people
you.
can make their own mind.
Good,
Yeah.
good. I'm glad we didn't do the build for you because it would have been an absolute disaster. Good luck to any other builder that takes this on.
Oh my goodness me!
You're making me out to be an absolute horrible person, and you know I'm not.
You're not a horrible person, but you've took things from us without asking.
No.
That's not right.
I didn't do it to hurt anybody. That was never, ever my intention. And I did get carried away with it.
All you had to do was ask. And if
But
we
s-
said,
s-
but
s-
even if we said no, it should just mean no, and you can't do it. At the end of the day, she is our daughter, and I'm just hoping, she's been up in front of the judge today, and I just hope that he's made her say sense.
I've got nothing to say. The truth will come out in karma, trust me, it will.
I told nothing but the truth, and the judge believed me.
I did not take her DVDs. No way. Why would I? I've got no DVD player. I disagree with it. Because I've lost something what was dearly beloved, what I wanted. I've lost the Kindle, what my partner brought me. That was the last thing he ever brought me.
He's still alive.
I don't care, I'm not with him. But that was the last thing he brought me.
You gave me the Kindle, Anita.
Liar! I'm not working out with her. She's dead to me. I'm sorry, but she's dead.
I think Judge Rinder is absolutely gorgeous.
I wish I never came.
all I gotta say to you, Callum, as far as I'm concerned, right, to stop, yeah, talk to the hand, the face ain't listening, okay? As far as I'm concerned, you're a prima donna.
Prima donna? Look at you.
Look at that.
Bye.
Goodbye, talk to the hand, the face ain't
Do you know
listening.
what? I'm professional. I walk away from like
Oh,
you.
go on then,
Bye. Bye.
Goodbye.
I'm happy. Thanks.
Obviously, I'm more professional than he is. He could walk away. If he wants to do that by walking away, you don't call that professional.
Andy, trust me, love. No one's going to work with you after this. You're nothing but a fraud and you're a liar. Bye.
Goodbye.
You didn't even have the decency to come to me direct and talk to me like an adult.
Get on with your life. Leave me alone.
I will, don't worry. I never have to see you, I never have to hear you.
I want my key back.
You can have it, I will post it when I get my granddad's knife and fork
I
back.
haven't got it.
You have, it's in the drawer.
No, it is not in the drawer.
That is where I left it.
She used me and abused me, but now I've got to get on with my life.
He's a
Don't care. She's a sad individual, that's all I've got to say.
He had the nerve to say that I've put him through mental torment from the minute we moved in to that flat in Eastbourne. The second day I started work, I had hell from him.
Without you, which is peace.
Oh, yeah, tell me about it. At least I'm getting on with my life now. I've got somebody decent.
So am I.
So someone decent, someone you was cheating on him with his
I
mate?
never cheated.
Well, yeah, all right.
22 years I was married and I never cheated.
Yeah, and you left
once,
your
and
husband
I-
quite quickly and moved in with him, didn't you?
Because
then you
me
moved on
and
to
my
him quite
husband-
quickly. You'll be next, mate. Let me tell you.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you will.
No.
Yeah, you will.
No.
You'll be next.
I
don't
don't
cheat.
cheat.
You'll be with someone else.
I don't cheat.
It's a shame that I went into business with a liar and a thief. I'm so sorry about that, but that's the way the world goes. He's a thief. Disappointed, he still seems to think that I'm a thief. I was never a thief. The money that I took out was agreed. I never slandered his name. I just told people that were asking why the business closed down, what happened. What did you spend £14,000 on in 5 months? 14K. What did you spend? Cost of living, 14 grand in 5 months. Some people don't earn that in a year, mate. He's entitled to his opinion. Anybody that knows me knows that I've certainly not been extravagant in any way, shape or form. I wish him all the worst in the world. To be honest, I feel he's quite neutral, really.
The ruling today, I feel, is fair, very fair. I'm happy with the outcome.
She just lied, didn't she, so... No. I can't stand people who lie. I can't. I don't. And she just blatantly lied there, saying that I abandoned her. I didn't abandon her.
I now know that I have to drop contracts, and this is a lesson learnt.
I thought she were a nice person, to be honest, but she just proved me wrong, hasn't she?
She hadn't got what she come for today. Because she wasn't entitled to it. She didn't know how to care. That girl didn't know how to care.
She did get aggressive and she did swear and she did abuse my kindness. She took my kindness for a weakness.
She took money from me for her business. She called me a liar in there. Yeah.
I went out to say my kids went out for Christmas because of you. I was the victim, and that's what I've come here for other people to see that in this situation, just because you're there to care for the elder, there's something that needs to be put in place to safeguard us as carers going in.
Well, I trusted her with the money, and she stood there and said she gave me it back.
And the way you treat people is absolutely disgusting. And that you've come on here and you've had the audacity to stand there and barefaced lie about me is ridiculous. You don't deserve care. You don't deserve any care. I went into this job as a friend. I thought I was caring for a friend. That's why I went above and beyond my job. And that's why I did all the things that I did for her. She obviously never saw me as a friend. I was there as a slave to her, and that was the end of it.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.